Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Research and Theory. My name is Ellen Rummel, and I will be your instructor for this course this quarter. I know sometimes when students hear the words research and theory, it really doesn't sound like a real exciting favorite class, but I'm hoping to change your mind on it. I've taught evidence-based practice and theory for several years, and it's one of my favorite courses to teach. So welcome. I just wanted to give a quick overview on a few things to get you started in the course. This week, I'm going to have much of what you need for this course is found on this page, this course homepage. So I've populated it with a few things to help you get through this first week here. So live lectures in the syllabus are weeks 1, 3, 6, 7, and 10. Those times are all going to be on Tuesdays. The first live lecture is going to be tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. And if you can't make it, I know everybody's schedules are crazy this quarter. So if you can't make it, all my live lectures will be recorded and placed in this box here. I do plan on having the weeks that aren't live lectures, I plan on doing a recorded week overview to help you with the assignments in the course and to answer any course questions that you might have. We do have some quizzes in the course this week, or not this week, this quarter, weeks 3, 4, and 5, and I will do lectures to prepare you for those short courses. More information about that to come, but just make sure you have those dates on the calendar so you know about them. Grammarly is required for all written papers in this course, and if you haven't used Grammarly before, it's a spell word check, plagiarism check. So I require you to submit all your papers to that before submitting them to the drop boxes. I do use them with all student assignments. Don't go to grammarly.com because that's a paid site. So if you go on this link, it'll tell you how to download Grammarly, and you don't have to pay for it, or it's included in your tuition that way. A couple of other things. This week, Module 1 has a discussion board assignment. When I'm looking through the chapter, it's pretty general, and I'm going to prepare a live lecture tomorrow to try to help kind of answer some of the questions in this assignment, because it's very some of it is kind of actually hard to understand. So you can hold off on the discussion until after the live lecture tomorrow if you like. I am going to come up with some theorists that you can choose from, and there aren't a lot of theorists in the book, in the chapter anyway, so I'm going to try to get some more information on a PowerPoint and see if it makes a little bit more sense. So one thing about the discussion post in this course, make sure that you read the rubric, and make sure you have the reference and in-text citation for both your initial post and both your response posts, okay? And then just make sure there's no spelling errors, and you should do just fine on that. I'll go over more of the course tomorrow when we have our live lecture. The other thing, lastly, I wanted to point out would be the course calendar. I'm not sure under the student view where it's at. Under my view, it's under tools. And so you can see that all of the assignments for the quarter are populated here this week. The discussion is due on Wednesday, the initial post, and then the response posts are due on Saturday, and that's for every week that you have a discussion. Week 2, you do have a paper due, and I'll give a lecture, a recorded lecture, to kind of get you up to date on that. So anyway, welcome to this course. I look forward to working with you. I am going to post some office hours for the course. I'm not sure exactly when that is. I'm trying to correlate them with all my other courses. So when I do have that information, I will populate it here in the instructor information. And feel free to reach out anytime. You can email me. The phone listed here does not have texting capabilities. It's my office phone, but I'm happy to call you back. And I look forward to working with you all. Have a great week 1.